What's going on, gang? It's your man Eddie from Performance, and back with another video for everyone, anybody basically. So the video before I went over replacing your O-rings top and bottom on your fuel injectors, how to do that, and how important it is when you're upgrading your fuel injectors, or just if you got a bad fuel injector, or just replacing them in general. So in the previous video, you can see on the channel, my son and I replaced the O-rings on these injectors here, because these are used 42-pound injectors, and we put new O-rings on it. It's very important to do that, especially if you have a lot of miles on the car, and you know these rings seal into the intake and also seal into the fuel rail as well when you put it all together. We just completed putting the fuel injectors and the fuel rail onto the lower intake. We cleaned up all the surface areas in front where your thermostat goes in and your housing as well. And then also the lower intake portions, or on the side where the gaskets are going to meet the heads. So, and also, as you can see, we did the top where the upper intake is going to go on as well. So this is the next video where the injectors are installed. We did that together. Very simple process. There's 4 8mm bolts, and then you want to gently pop out your rails with your fuel injectors. Be very careful when you're doing that. But we did the reverse process, where we pushed the injectors down into the intake after putting the injectors into the rail. So I had the rail and the injectors all together, and then we placed it right on top and just easily pushed them down on each side. And then what you want to do is you're going to hold them down and then tighten up the bolts in sequence so they sit into the intake nice and firm, and then you can see. So this is kind of the ready product to go back into the car, give or take upper gasket, thermostat, and then intake gaskets as well. And this has an aftermarket fuel regulator, which is fine, so we'll run that as well. And I haven't decided what I'm going to do with those bojangles hanging out there. So we have a sensor there, so we may end up running the crossover coolant pipe there. So, but yeah, just another quick video to give you guys an idea as I progress along. There you have it. Cleaned up the rails a little bit, give a little shine, and those big 42-pound injectors are ready to put in some work. So hope you guys like this video. Got more to come. If you're not following my YouTube channel, I've been putting up a lot of content there lately, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Give me a thumbs up, give me a subscribe, and I'll keep it coming. You guys have a good night. Take care.